What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome, boys. Welcome. How's everyone? We just got a quick win just before the market opened, which is beautiful. Let's wait for the people to come in and I'll detail it real quick. Up a little bit on the account. As you can see, it's one that's in drawdown, so it's good. It's good. Alright, who's in here, bruh? Let me know if you're watching, like who's watching, right? And where you from, where you're watching this from. Today's Thursday. It's one of the best days to trade Forex for my type of trading. Not the best for futures, but hey, we got some zones in futures that are interesting. And let's see how the days goes. Yo, what's up, Wick? Appreciate you for the Discord thing. Who else is in here? What are you boys watching today as well? Does it look like it's gonna be a good day for y'all? I just got this quick little win on futures just before the market open. Bit of a risky one. You can see it's not exactly my strategy. Something new that I'm testing. Not switching strategies because mine doesn't work or something. It's just same vision, different execution. That's all I'm gonna say. I've already made a video about it for my mentorship students, but all you gotta know is that it's more focused on market direction rather than just execution. All I'm gonna say is that I tested out for a bit at a 80% win rate with a 2R. So that's all I'm gonna say. But nah, it doesn't mean it's gonna be reflected like that on live markets and throughout the long term. And it's way more testing. But yeah, right now, as this got to sweep, perhaps another sweep to the downside, and if there's a reaction from it, then that's perfect. Then that would be perfect. Yeah, 80 with a 2R, it's better than my current, which is 40 with a 3R. It's good or not? Is everything good? Okay, seems like it. I'm sorry guys, my internet just went down for some reason. We're currently having a huge storm in Portugal, I don't know. But yeah, let me know if everything's fine from your end. It's good now. Awesome. The one thing is that I don't know if I have infinite data on the phone to even be doing this. But yo, in case there's some problems, all I'm waiting for futures now is another sweep to the downside on market open, of course. And if there's a reversal from there, then take it, as we just swept the liquidity. But before market open, you always want to be waiting for market open, right? I gotta win before it. That's why it's risky. Price can just go down as well because there's still the gap that remains here that was made last week. So that could be a possibility, and price can do one of those days where it just keeps melting, just keeps going in one direction, and that's why I also developed this recent strategy. As you can see, it's bouncing from it, but it's basically calling out more liquidity towards it. I wouldn't fully trust it. ES, same thing, has the liquidity below, has the gap below, so you can do that. As far as Forex, I'm looking at this interesting GU setup. Okay, if you go M15, we got this relative equal highs. So just go up there. Depends, if we're still on New York session, then wait for a smart money trap. If we're not, London close, and just take the retracement. So far, these will be London bullish, New York bullish, London close. You wait for a retracement. If you don't know about it, just go check my channel. You know, everything's there, and EU is a shame. EU is a shame on this short. EU wasn't fully correlated, fully anti-correlated with the XY at this moment. The XY was moving a lot better, and GU had a worse setup, and it was going down much further than EU was. And just because I was on shorts on EU, I didn't want to take this, but this could be a trade as well yesterday. Right here, if we zoom out on M5, you can see the double sweep. So, and you can see the two candles of M15. So yeah, that's that. Another reference for another video. That's already on my channel, so you can go check it. So yeah, because I was in shorts, I didn't take these longs. So yeah, that same short on GU that I'm talking about correlates to this London high to get taken, which can correspond to this DXY to get taken as well, and to sweep this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 relative equal highs once and forever. Why are you asking him that weak? You want to roast him or what? The fuck? Oh. Oh fuck, bro. Alright, boys. Wait. Oh, it's back up. I was about to say, it wasn't my internet. It was the fucking light that went off. So I had no electricity. Right now I'm back to having electricity. And everything's back up. Let's see if it maintains. There's a storm currently in Portugal. Not worse than some of you guys in Philippines or some. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We back. Jeez, ain't the connection shit. Alright, we back? Seem to be back. Hey, yo, let me know if we're back. Yeah, looks good. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Finally got electricity here. My laptop is able to charge, and we got the home's Wi-Fi working. Right, so like I was saying, there's a storm in Portugal, and maybe the whole block went without electricity for a bit. So yeah, hope you guys listened to what I was saying. Let's see if we can get this second sweep into it. I'ma log into my fundeds. You know, you guys can see the arrows and everything. But I'ma switch accounts cause I got multiple. You know what I mean? This one's in drawdown. I'm showing you guys everything, but yeah. yeah, I'm just thinking if it's this account's turn. Yo, with 4 people in the stream, got 4 likes. Make sure you drop yours if you haven't still, and let me know who's watching, man. Are you a current viewer? Are you a new viewer? We're currently up for the day on futures before market open, which is amazing. Which is great. Not something that I usually do or I advise you to do. But yeah, let's see. 15 seconds, we got the market opening. I'm waiting for a sweep lower and then the reversal. And Forex, well, it's super close as well for my zone, which I'm expecting to be liquidated. But let Forex take his time, you know. Forex is slow, so might be just on London close. And oil is interesting. Let me know if there's any oil traders there, but I'm gonna show you oil later on. Just let me see this this opening on futures, but I have a student that has been getting a lot of wins on oil. Okay. It's likely gonna take this unless it respects this order block. Anything can happen in future sometimes, but I prefer it to be a trap. Okay. Let's get it. Boom. Boom. So it would look like this, kind of. Unless we make some internal structure over here. To the upside, we got the major liquidity that's up there. We got Asia session looking good. Thing is that if we reverse immediately or not. Because I wouldn't want to see it reverse immediately. But yeah, it's confluent. It would be some 1 minute shit. Let the candles marinate. But let's see. I want to see the candle closure though, before I even position myself on these. What about y'all? Y'all quiet now? The stream back up? Or y'all ready to take it like me? It's nice. This is nice. Alright, what's up? 5 people in the stream. Make sure you drop your likes, boys. We up for the day. Alright, 4 people in the stream. Let's see. Waiting on this long. let the candles form as well. We're only 5 minutes in the market opening. Let it sit. Let it show you what it wants to do, right? I say wait for market open, but then also wait a little bit for the setup to form, for the liquidity to get swept, plus give you some structure. So in that sense, you would only have a setup at 15 minutes in, 30 minutes in the market opening. Yeah, look at this. Imagine if you were to position yourself on a 1 minute candle. It looks good, yeah, but immediate stop loss. Jeez. Yeah, with oil, what I was saying, I had my student catching these 2 trades, and he also wanted to catch this third one, but he missed out on it because it was too late, maybe. And he's in Asia, but or he was focused on something else. I don't remember, he told me, but yeah, he's smashing it on London close. As you can see, all of this is like London close. London close is the most profitable session, as it is for me, and he trades way more active, way more pairs than me. So you can see how that London close factor works everywhere. And silver has been going crazy as well. If you can just find ways to long this motherfucker, man. Also during London close, I'm seeing a lot of good setups on London close for silver. Okay, yeah, as you can see, maybe not a reversal from here. It's getting too deep, so maybe we're going for that gap. But yeah, I don't know if I'm able to place a short here real quick on the new strat. Oi? Okay. Seemed like more. Okay, let's see. If we touch this gap, then longs. Longs from there. Might be one of those trending days where we could just go off one direction. Okay, I got this long, but of course I wasn't gonna target it till the gap. It was already risky like that, but until the liquidity. Where? Because I was sure, right? I was 95% sure we was gonna target it. Okay, these equal lows. Know where the liquidity lies, know where the most amount of liquidity lies, and you'll pretty much figure out where the market wants to go. So the only way I would be wrong is if price maybe would want to grab some liquidity here or some liquidity above and then eventually come down. But yeah, 6 people on the stream, boys. We're already up. We're already up for the day. Let's see if we can get something else. Don't think I'll be staying in the stream for long today, as you guys also a bit quiet. But yeah, let's see what it gives. I'm seeing some potential setups for Forex later on, maybe in like 2 hours, and futures Let it sit. Let it sit. Oh, I'm not seeing the chat. Fuck, my stuff might be... The last messages I seen, it was like, give me a sec. Okay. Alright, everyone's DMing me on private now. Haven't lost in a while, bro. Oh, shit. Which has the bigger market volume? I mean, NQ moves way more than ES. They're both like cousins, but NQ, like let's say all of them go down. ES does this much of a size, NQ does the double, YM does the triple or quadruple or like 10 times that size. And yeah, I'm sorry for this little mistake. I don't know, my chat wasn't being refreshed. I had to leave the stream and come back. Man, shut up, Dino. Camping NQ, okay. And this time I double checked. I'm not in NDS. Yeah. Is the kill zone different for ES and NQ? What you mean? The kill zone is the same. The market opens at the same time. Like the kill zone in futures starts 1 hour after Forex, but that's just because the market opens in that period. So you want to be trading in that period. Oh, so yeah, there's a difference between it. So yeah, I just responded that on Forex, the kill zone starts at that timing where you got the major news like CPI, NFP. And then on futures starts an hour after because market opens in that timing. So you don't want to be trading beforehand. Especially with a huge volatility. That would be like trading Forex just before a major news release. Does the 80% works on Forex as well? I mean, it could. I can see it working on FX as well, because the strategy is just based. I mean, I wouldn't consider it as different strategy. It's just a different execution. But yeah, you can say strategy in a sense. But it's the same vision, guys. It's the same vision of the liquidity, right? So I can see it working on FX as well, just because the price goes to where the most amount of liquidity lies. But it's just better on futures, because sometimes you have these huge drops or where price flies in one single direction. It's just quicker, it's better, gives you more movement. So yeah, but yeah, it perhaps definitely has different stats for FX if I try it there. What is sweep was before London and we get an entry. Okay, I will assume you're talking about futures there. I mean, if you're talking about futures there and you get an entry, that entry is most likely a trap. That's why I say in futures. Because if you don't wait for the market to open, market open tends to sweep something, right? Forex. Okay, sorry. So yeah, just to finish off on my point, if anyone was listening and was curious, if you had a sweep of liquidity on futures for some major liquidity that you were seeing, if it gets swept beforehand, you just wait for it to become a trap, for your initial entry to become a trap as the market open will sweep something. For Forex, I mean, if you're talking like 9 a.m., it depends on what time zone you're on and what you mean. If you mean like before 9 a.m., yeah, like UTC plus 1, where it's London time, where 9 a.m., so before London session, if we get an entry, you could. That would be Frankfurt session. But Frankfurt session tends to it can sweep something and be like the top of the day, or it can build liquidity for London. I wouldn't risk it though. For London, even when I was... Yeah, okay, so before London opening, I wouldn't risk it. It's more risky. Damn, I could have... if there was a retest, I could have gotten a continuation here for the shorts. So wait for the gap here. So yeah, when I was trading London, because right now I don't trade London as much, London session I mean, I would wait for, well, it depends on your timing, but yeah, 9:30 of London. Well, no, 8. Yeah, the 9:30 of London. Yeah. Oh, no, now I'm bugging. 8:30, 8:30, 8:30. So like I'll wait for the kill zone. So because I'm used to Central Europe time, and the London time is one time lower. It's 1 hour behind. So just put a kill zone indicator. I would say just put a kill zone indicator, and you don't trade beforehand because it's likely risky. Because as you can see, normally the first 30 minutes of London session are manipulation. So in here there's nothing, but yeah, here the Frankfurt worked as the high of that current session. Yeah, as you can see here, the first 30 minutes, they could give you a short setup, but it wasn't the best. It isn't the best example. But yeah, I mean, some people here might be getting on the entry here. Like you were saying, you would have Asia session being swept. You have possibly a setup here on the Frankfurt just before the market opens on London. But then as we open on London, we sweep. We sweep some of the people that were trying to short this high that swept Asia. Okay, so always be careful, guys. Always be careful, because remember, there's a bunch of liquidity, and one of the liquidities that I look for is session liquidity. So the current session will always look to sweep the previous one. Damn, are we dumping like that? Yeah. So yeah, there's a lot of guys that trade the Asia session sweep strategy. They wait for the highs or lows to get swept, and then they buy a short and quarterly. But just remember that London likes to sweep Asia the same way that New York likes to sweep London. A lot of the guys adopt that on the future space, I see, but not a lot of them adopt it on the Forex, and it works the same. If you just put a session indicator on your charts, you'll see where the price sweeps and rebounds from. It will most likely be with the sessions. One of the factors, okay? One of the factors. It's always good to have multiple things around it, okay? Multiple conferences. And then you pile it up everything and build a strategy from it. Right? I hope that answers your question. And I hope that's deserving of a like, because you can jump on others guys' stream and you won't get a fifth of the sauce. Yeah, if in here we do something like this, then maybe why? Look at this motherfucker. Look at this motherfucker. I'm not talking about y'all. I don't know if he's watching, but this guy, man. The fuck you doing, man? He's on fire, man. What the hell is this? That might be. They're probably a S&P. Did he do the same as me? Oh, winner on gold. I'm stupid. Yeah, so there you go. There you go. And Tuar, I think he just got himself a challenge pass, because he only needed 2% to pass to pass 2 of his challenges. Yeah, that's crazy. Thanks. The result in Discord is insane, bro. Oh, you mean my results on the weekly and monthly ones? If that's what you mean, then appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. But I'm not as good as the other guys, you know. I get losses, you know. I'm still not at the 100% win rate. I'll get there soon. Yeah, Yasin, but without the C. Bit different. Where are you from, by the way? Are you the Yasin that booked the call for Saturday? Okay. French? You speak French? Oui, bien sûr. Okay. Alright. If you boys don't know, your boy's a polyglot, you know? What can I say, boys? Oh yeah, and as you can see, I've sent to my students GU doing the sweep and Q sweeping below. But yeah, man. If you don't know Yasin, I used to live in France for like 10 years or more. Mais bon, ça fait un moment que je parle pas français. Je parle un peu avec mes frères parce qu'ils sont là-bas, mais ouais. Mais je suis portugais, hein. Yeah, waiting until that gap gets filled or something or tapped. I'm not touching it. I want to see this get filled. Or bare minimum like tapped. You know, and for yes, you know, yes is way more far. Oh, okay, but we got the sweep of it though. Cause you see the gap on NQ is like way closer than it is for yes. But ES is in the crucial zone to reverse now. But I wouldn't be in yet. I don't have the structure yet because this ain't it. This is a double breaker structure on M1 just by the candles, alright? You can see there's no structure. There's just this, but this is M1, so you go to M5, it's nothing. So what I'm looking at is another sweep to the downside in order to have this high to position myself, and that this movement will reflect NQ doing the same and touching the gap. I'm giving you all free motherfucking sauce, man. There's some applicable shit. J'aime Lisbonne. Madeira, okay. Yeah. Yeah, Thailand's the best. Thailand's definitely the best. Let's go. Yeah. So if you boys enjoy that and you getting value, then just drop me a like. That's all I ask for. And yeah, let's see. Hopefully it doesn't just bounce from this. Just do a huge move. I'm predicting the longs, but hopefully it doesn't go without me. Hopefully that's my setup. And YM is bipolar. YM is not moving today as much. Something's wrong with it, but yeah. If there's any SMC traders marking out this order block or some, good luck to them. I know there will be some guys doing this. Why need some more? For sure, for sure, for sure. You waiting on the NQ as well, Dino? Maybe the yes. Yes doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. It's a liquidity sweep. It's a liquidity sweep. It's a nice zone. It's a nice zone. Right, there's the gap below. That's the only thing. If NQ doesn't fill up, it doesn't fill the gap completely and just taps it. I don't know. Maybe I'll choose yes. I don't know. Yes, Ellie. Nah, you're playing too much, Dino. You got jokes today, huh? Imagine both it's chill. Right now at work, so I gotta. Yeah. If you don't know, guys, Dino is fucking watching the stream while at work. If you're doing the same, huge respect, man. You gotta do what you gotta do. Patience game, boys. Patience game. It's 4 o'clock. I mean 4 p.m. on the UTC plus 1. For y'all, it's irrelevant depending on where you're from. But yeah, as you can see, Yasin, I'm currently staying in Portugal and I still have the timing of UTC plus 1, the French timing. Just because I'm fucking used to it. Because timings are important, guys, as well. If you see one setup, if you see two setups that are identical, but they're both at different timings, it's a completely different story. One might not play out as you wished. I mean, it's all a probabilities game, but you know what I'm saying? It can be invalid for your strategy. Always look at timings. Look at the most specific things as you can get. Really look to refine your strategy to the most specifics you can get. Maybe that's the only thing that's stopping you from becoming profitable. These refinements can either make you more profitable or just bring you to profitability. You don't need more wins. You perhaps just need less losses. Yeah, look at this granny, man. Slow as fuck. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, Gerhard? How have you been? Man, we spoke on Monday. I imagine if you had been inside and taken this trade on Monday as well. Damn, it was exactly at the spot. Yeah, you could have been in. Yeah. It was just after. just after we had our meeting, I think. At 6, yeah. 6, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. So like, yeah, 6 p.m. our time or something like that. Yeah, it was just after, yeah. Crazy. And then this unfortunate one on EU. I don't know, do we have more Forex traders in here or futures traders? Because, yeah, if you're here for Forex, you gotta be patient, man. You gotta be patient. Okay. I'm waiting for this on OG to be swept. And then potentially some shorts from there. But depends on timing as well. So gonna wait for that. But futures is the most interesting for now. What about y'all, man? Anyone has taken any trades yet? I'm a little bit up for the day, but what about you guys? Or overall for the week? Like, are you up for the week? Are you down for the week? How much are you up? How much or down? You know? But yeah, please talk to me because market's a bit boring. Otherwise, I'll just cut the stream off early. But accounts, bro, you got jokes today, huh? Accounts are done, but I'm up. Yeah, man. Did you end up copying something on last minute yesterday on Apex promo? I watched the week 11 videos again, so I'm hyped. The week 11 is scaling proper now, or is it personal capital? I think it's. Oh, okay. The homework ones. Yeah. Yeah, man, you got that dog in you. You're doing good. That's awesome to hear, man. That's awesome to hear. Yeah. It's always good to go back to them. You know, brings you more clarity. And how much time were they in total? Like, maybe like 2 hours in total. Yeah. Yeah, but there's like 4 or 5. Yeah, almost 2 hours, and then you have the whole. That's like main psychology ones. They're also like 1 or 2 hours. So that gives about 4, maybe 4 hours of psychology content. Yeah, I'm thinking of dropping more sauce into it. Because I've also learned new things, adopted new things. Oh, I'm gonna keep updating it. I'm gonna put a draw here. But yeah, man, it's time to go hard, bro. It's time to go hard. Once that Christmas promo hits, man, I want to see you filled, and perhaps in a different life situation than the current one. Gotta get you more funded, possible payout on the way. Man, reinvest that shit back in. I think Yasin just passed the challenge as well. He was saying he was only 2% away from passing two of his challenges, and he just took a 2.4% trade. So I guess he passed some. My god, man. I wanted to do this sweep already. Okay. So now, like, imagine for the new strat, imagine we hadn't swept this liquidity. Imagine there was something more significant here, and you see price keeps dropping. If you would have seen some nice confirmation to the downside, some big ass candle, maybe before we even drop this, or we can drop this and then you can wait for a retest, put a stop loss here maybe and target that if you get a 2R, right? Or if you get like some nice body closure on a candle and it's super close to sweeping this low, which you know it probably will, then you would try to either put on a limit on, put it just there, stop loss above this structure here. Because if it just keeps going down, then it will kind of do it like this. In a way, it's just bad in a sense where you don't have any liquidity swapped in these scenarios. But if you do have, then it's even better. In these blocks of structure, I mean. But it's all about maybe having a trend that's going on in the day, and of course direction, right? You need to know where the market is going, and you need like a huge liquidity or gap or anything that's like a huge magnet for price. Okay. Yeah, anyone seeing anything different than me? Or any different pairs? You guys feel free to tell me if you're in something or if you want me to analyze a specific pair. Damn, Nvidia dropping. Let's see, could you trade these? I used to trade stocks back in the day, boys, but I didn't knew what I was doing. So in here, if if we wanna do the same as concepts, New York bearish, London close retracement, and you have the gap. Boom. This would be a win. It's also nice to speak when you got like the candles already printed. Here we tap the gap. It's risky because you can still feel it, but it's London close. It does the opposite move to New York. It becomes this a trap. This New York was bullish, or maybe London close bearish. I'm just going off mostly of the gaps, some sort of liquidities, and like New York to London close bias, because London close powerful. So yeah, but not the best, of course, and you won't get as much leverage, and sometimes it barely moves these stocks. But hey, if they hot like this, doing -2%, +3% a day, it's crazy. Tesla has been moving as well. Here, do you got a perfect tap into the gap? No. From what I'm seeing, of course, the stocks is gonna move a lot during New York. And here you got a perfect example, bro. Market opens up, sweeps the liquidity, and then goes the opposite direction and fills up the gap. Not completely, but it taps it, yeah. But hey, I'm seeing that the London close on the stocks is a nice retracement. Even if you want to hold it till next day, you see New York going consistently up, London close, boom, slow. Next day opens up. It's risky because if it opens up, then you're gonna lose more than you risked probably, and you could have gotten a win. But it's a risky game. But yeah. You just try to do the opposite on London close. On London close, you try to do the opposite of what New York did. And you can see if New York is bullish, then London close is bearish. New York is bearish, then London close is bullish. Man, I just gave you a profitable strategy like that. Just seeing it. I mean, test it. I mean, Dino found a 100% win rate strategy. The Jewish strategy. Don't be mad. I won't, bro. I won't. Don't worry. I'll get your sauce, man. Dino is gonna become a millionaire with that strategy. Yes, sir. Yeah. The Jewish brick block of the algo and the trading part, man. You cooked on that. Got the. You giving tips, bro. You giving tips. But yeah, man. You're gonna make millions with that strategy. Just takes his time, but hey. You know what you can do? 20 Apex accounts, bruh. Full ported. Yeah, bro. For sure, surpass me, man. And that's what I want to see. But check also like the bias, the bullishness, like how did it look in the specific days. Like go do the same as the guy did, but on FX replay by your own. I just hope. Yo, motherfucker, bro. But yeah, bro. Are we close to one of them? To one of those days? I don't want to be leaking the sauce. Just tell me yes or no. Man, we're bouncing, man. That's not good. Nah, bro. Okay. Alright. Geesh. Oh, yeah, you mean weekends, right? Man, we pumping. So maybe I just don't like the gap. It's also gonna be London close soon. Man. Oh yeah. Well, Christmas holiday. Yeah. My, it's the same thing. Market closed. Boom, boom. All right. Yeah, we might continue to go up. We might chop all of this. I don't know. I don't know if there will be a setup. Maybe longs are good, but yeah. All right, you sent me on Discord, but yeah, I'm gonna see it later. Pure waiting game. Many times I felt bored waiting, then I took a trade from. Yeah, exactly, bro. But we're gonna get you sorted. We're gonna get you sorted. We're gonna get you sorted with the precision, with the fundeds, you know. Because they know he's also one of the students, and he got funded. He's funded. 100% pass rate, man. Yeah, slow. Slow. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see, you know. Maybe in the future I'll do a video on it. Gonna break the internet. It was nice, but missed it. I mean, you didn't miss it. You didn't miss it. It just didn't do the setup, bro. Yeah, man, you gotta do it. Expose the secrets. I mean, the credit goes to you, man. And the other guy, fuck it. His game is game. Like you say, game is game. He probably copied someone else as well. Maybe. Yeah, on ES you had the double breaker structure here. Boom, boom. Maybe. But right now coming to London close, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna put some longs in. Who knows? Game is game. Exactly. But alright, boys. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'll even trade more today. We already got the win on NQ. Previous to market open. This beautiful, well, not beautiful trade, but beautiful reaction from it. Beautiful behavior. I gotta go to my customer. Yeah. I'll think I'll end it here at the same time. So yeah, we got nice little 500 on this account. That was in drawdown. Have no problem showing that. I don't win everything. And yeah, for Forex, same thing I've been saying. Sweep of that liquidity to then potentially short. Remind yourself of timing, okay? Don't just short this out of nowhere. If it's Asia session or something, right? I'm waiting for the liquidity is right here. This one on M30. And yeah. Hope y'all have a good day. Hope y'all enjoyed the stream. I mean, it isn't much. I got myself a win, but yeah, like I don't control the markets. Oh, you mean like this efficiency right here that's currently doing? I mean, nah, cause yeah, probably, man, probably. It's a bit boring. Um, nah. If it was, I mean, if there was some better liquidity on this side, but you gotta also remember that we just swept some major liquidity, so the reaction from this can be huge. So I wouldn't do that. I like more of the efficiencies where it's like more high time frame and and more like on a continuation basis on higher time frame and not just after some huge sweep of liquidity. Because yes, it can work, and yes, I've taken some of these that I can recall, but yeah, risky because of the sweep of liquidity. But also, if you think about it, we got also reasons to come down, but we also got reasons to come up, and we just swept the liquidity. That's the only thing. But yeah, you're right. Short from here can definitely play out. And this be a smart trap as it's also landing close. See, right now we're putting things together. But yeah, boys, if you want to touch on any other point, feel free to do it. But yeah, man, I don't know. Might just close it here. You too, Wick. Thank you guys. Well, thank you guys for hopping on. It's always a pleasure. Bit of a boring day. Let's see what London Close gives us. But yeah, boys. And I mean, if you want to learn more, then just go to my normal long format YouTube videos. But hey, appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you for the guys that already left. And you might do this. Alright. The boys that stay in got the sauce. There was about 2 people that left just beforehand. Yes, sir. Have a good one. You too, Dino. You too. Good luck with work, and keep an eye on this NQ though. Keep an eye on this NQ. I'll keep you updated on Discord. Game is game. When I get something on GU London Close, that's exactly what I'm seeing, brother. Thank you for your time. Thank you too, man. For sure. All right, boys. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow if you hop on the stream, same timing. All right, boys. Pleasure to see y'all.